Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset Rheem furnace in 2026. So if your Rheem furnace is not heating or if it is showing any kind of error, a quick reset can often fix the issue. So in order to reset it, first of all, you need to switch off the power supply to the furnace. You can use the power switch near the unit or you can turn it off from the breaker panel. This particular step is really very important for safety purposes. Now, after doing this, you just have to remove the front panel very carefully. When the panel is opened in front of you, you just have to simply look for the reset button over here. When you are able to find the reset button, you just have to do nothing but to just press it and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. After 10 to 15 seconds, you just have to release it and it will be reset very easily. Now, if you are not able to find the reset button, no issues. You can just simply leave the power off for about 1 to 2 minutes and then you just have to turn the power back on. This also works as a full reset system. Now you just have to turn the power back on and set your thermostat to heat. Check if the furnace starts normally and begins heating. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.